Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to bring you cat nails, perhaps some unicorn, some bling, some pink. I've already got started on the pink portion. I have on 2 coats of Yayoji number 7. This is their In Water Light series. I'll link the videos up below or up above where I've used them before. On this finger I already have their base gel because I want to put some glitter on here. From the nail candy shop, I do have a code NOI15 to save you 15%. The owner of this company has sponsored many of my giveaways, and I'd appreciate it if you stop on by thenailcandyshop.com and see about checking out some of the glitter mixes yourself. Anyways, back to what this video is about. This is a collaboration video. I will put at the end of the video, there will be this way at the end on my little screen where the little logo is, will be a little square box, and there will be a playlist in there for you to click, and you can enjoy all the other videos that's in this collaboration. And this is a special collaboration to someone that's been a very, very good friend for me for about a year now. Maybe a little over a year now. I really can't remember. We just started chatting on a couple of her videos. She chatted on mine and things just went off. You've seen us collab before. Her nail name is Glitzynails UK. I will put her channel up above as well. She does a lot of 3D acrylic work. This is a brush she made me for Christmas. I was intending on practicing and getting to this level, but her birthday came up so fast on me I couldn't do it, so I'll have to save my attempts at embarrassing myself for later. But I'm going to try to do something that I hope will please her and something that she would like to wear herself. Let's see, she gave me a plate earlier this year, this cute unicorn plate. I'm going to take a few images off of there. I have some kitty cats water decals, and let's just get started. I've got some blings and some glitters. I got a few things out. I'm not sure what all I will get to, but we'll just see. Make sure that you check out the other people that's in this collaboration. We just all have the theme. I believe we told them pink, glitter, bling, and she loves her kitty cats. So that's pretty much the theme we're going with, and we'll just see who does what. I have no idea what anyone else has done, so it'll be a surprise for all of us. This is just going to be my Model 1 silver key. I'm not actually taking the unicorn image this time, because you don't have to. Do whatever you want to do. And you just place it on your nail any way you wish. I do like, some people use lint rollers, some people use tape. I'm just easier using tape in my short area of filming. I want to get at least one unicorn on here. So all I'm doing is placing, I think I can get this on film without blinding you too much. Move my light away a little bit. I want to get the unicorn head on. All I'm doing is swiping a little down, hold it firmly, scrape about a 45-degree angle. I do the roll method. Do whatever works for you. Glitzy is like an expert stamper. She gets all sorts of things to stampers to work that I gave up on. She's a lot more of a bold stamper than I am, but everyone has their own style. Hold it all down, scrape it. Flick of the wrist is what I like to do. I've got some extra on here, so I just take a little tape. Whatever you don't want, just take it off. I'm going to have my unicorn reaching up. may do that head again. How about that? Just scrape and I flick. That's what I like to do. Some people like to stamp straight down. There's all sorts of different methods. I'm not a professional stamper, never claimed to be. Never professed that I am expert at anything. I just like doing my nails and sharing it with you. This again is unicorn fur from the nail candy shop. And I have gel base coat. I'm trying this brand out, seeing if it will adhere glitter. And you just don't want any at the very edge. Just pop it off or push it back into your nail bed. Here, I got a little gel polish on me. I'm notorious for doing that on the side that I can't see. And I just brush off anything that's loose because I'm not encapsulating it. Brush, brush, brush. Pat, pat, pat till you're happy. Glitzy, I call her Glitzy. Glitzynails UK loves, loves, loves to have multi layers of her designs. So that's what I'm trying to do here. And you can't forget her little kitty cats. That wasn't a great idea. Can't see it over the unicorns. There, I'll just put it down here. Oh man, I wasn't thinking. We'll get a little love in here. Then I'm gonna put a couple hearts. Forgot to tell anybody that she does like unicorns as well. If you watch her videos, you'll figure it out. Oh, paws don't really match. I got one little cat on here, Glitzy. I'm sorry. I forgot all about silver over silver. Wasn't going to do it. Oh my goodness. Think of me. Now let's see. I'm going to top coat these in and add a little bling because Glitzy is a blingy girl. I went ahead and cured the first layer because I want to put an extra layer over the glitter because it does have some chunkies in it. Figuring out which ones I want to put bling on, I'll put a little extra top coat just for the bling. When you get done, wash your hands and all the where you get on your skin will come off. It's just regular nail polish. And I'm just going to play around with my blingies. Did I put any on there? I don't know. I don't think I did. If so, I didn't put enough. I haven't had a real problem with bling detaching just in my gel top coat. I know some people do. Hasn't been a problem for me. I've been lucky, I guess. So I'll give these a good cure once I have them all in place where I want them. Okay, gave them a 30-second cure. Totally typical girly mani. I think Glitzynails UK will like it. I hope she does. I hope she has a great birthday. Everyone, be sure to watch the others that are doing videos today. I will have it down below. I will put it at the end of the video in a little square. There'll be a playlist. You can just go through there and tap on each video or watch them all the way through. But please wish Glitzynails UK a happy birthday. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.